Ukakasi FM.
KwaZulu-Natal's influence on South African football will be on full display when the Bafana Bafana take to the field at the 2026 FIFA World Cup. The national team features 6 players who were either born or raised in KZN. Omunye wabadlali osezakhele udumo is defender Umbekezeli Mbokazi odabuka eHluhluwe north of the province.
Mbokazi waqala ukudlala ibhola emncane ko under 13 15 but ngaleso sikhathi kwangingakanakeki kakhulu ukuthi une potential. Imine bengazi isimo se background yasemakhaya esiqhamuka kuona ukuthi emakhaya impilo ayifani nasedrobheni. So emakhaya into yebhola ayinakiyo but ine talent abafana beze beshawa iminyaka bengene ezintweni zama drugs but naye kwenza ukuthi abalandele emva kwakhe ngokweminyaka beyimisele kakhulu bethi coach nathi siyafuna ukuyodlalela uPirates.
The goalkeeping department was always subject of much debate when coach Hugo Broos named his 26-player squad, but KZN's very own Ricardo Goss has silenced many doubters. Born in Durban and raised in Chesterville, Goss has earned his place in the national squad through consistent performances for his club, Isiwelele FC.
Yabona ke eThekwini kuyazi ukuthi amakhaladi ablind ngebhola, but when it comes to Ricardo wagcine ukeeper ngenxa ukuthi unabafana abawu2 abaphezulu naye ngeminyaka, which means bona ngenkathi belipalpeta ngaphakathi babefike befuna ukupractice ngayo ukuthi bakorwa kanjani, so babehlezi bemvimbisa yabo, segcike nje kuthi uhamba emedongweni fuqa ibhola kuyena yabo. So I think that's where he caught the bug.
The journey of representing Bafana Bafana often begins far from packed stadiums kanye nama television cameras. It starts on dusty community fields where dedicated grassroots coaches identify talent, nurture potential, and instill values needed to succeed in the game.
You have heard even the coaches that are coming from out of the country coaching national teams saying no, we are not doing the justice in terms of development. So it's very good when we are looking at Uyaya starting playing from the LFA in the double classic in Ulundi, coached by Coach Ukata, then going there, coming here in Durban, the KZN Academy, trying to get those mileage playing in the regional league. Then from there, Durban Football Club, which was playing in the ABC Motsepe, and going to overseas. So it tells you that this is a process. If we can be able to do such, we can produce a lot of players. But I'm really humbled and I'm so happy for him, for his family, for everyone in football.
Orlando Pirates captain Nkosinathi Sibisi continues to be one of the most dependable defenders in South African football. Sibisi was identified by coach Vusumuzi Kano Vilakazi, who recognized his potential at a young age.
It was very difficult for other people to see the potential that I saw Gupodlela. He was just a typical player, but something different about him was that he was a hard worker and he was very physical. So very few defenders overwathola mhlamba fana naye. So I saw something you go to game mhlamba, it might not be something already ngaleso sikhathi leso, but it might be slowly but surely it will definitely be lento le esithi sifuna ukuthi kube yiyo. And it pays off because he played for the Diski and he was also promoted to the first team. So he is the Bodlela that I had in mind ukuthi ngizombona akuphi, and I'm happy today to see uBodlela will be representing us not only in a Bafana setup but in the World Cup. So it's a huge achievement for the boy.
Also flying the KZN flag is Philadelphia Union defender Oletu Makanya, whose inclusion adds youth and versatility to Bafana Bafana's backline. For football supporters across the province, these players represent more than individual success stories. They are proof that KwaZulu-Natal continues to produce talent capable of competing on the world's biggest stage.
Buti, uyazi nawe sekuthanda ufike lapha yana represent igama lakho, represent igama leBafana, and especially represents this jersey. I know you guys have a lot to ride in terms of the hearts of the nation. There's a lot going on njengamanje in terms of turmoil, but you are the joy of the nation. Bakhombisa abantu laphayana ukuthi kunjani ukudlalela iBafana, kunjani ukuba iBafana mase celebrate i3 point. So enjoy, have fun, bring it home, guys. And when I say bring it home, bring the joy home. Komish is going to be the bonus.
The message is simple. Play according to the instruction, represent the country well, give everything in the field of play. The rest you will see, it will follow.
Ngathi umfana wami Ndlelanhle uqhubeke wenza inhlonipho esikufundise yona egroundini igame negame always ifana nefinal kuwena, so hambe osebenza wenza izwe lakho libe proud ngawe.
Already sengimsendelile message, but I told him ukuthi this is the highest stage in football. Playing in the World Cup, representing your country, it's a very huge stage where you need to make sure that you grab with both opportunities. It might be another opportunity for him to go and play overseas if he gets a chance and expresses himself. I know definitely they will like him. So we Misela Kuphela, he has always been like that, and I think even World Cup, if he can do that, we will see Bhodlela going overseas and play overseas.